What's up, guys? Official Matt Bastards here with another video, man. Sorry guys, I haven't uploaded in a while. I was sick for a couple weeks. Right now I'm here with my fiance Camila. We're heading out to Orlando. We're gonna check out Disney World, Universal Studios, check out some family over there. I'll be vlogging, keep you guys updated. Right now we're heading on the plane, going to our gate. We just passed security. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Stay tuned and I'll show you guys what we're doing. All right guys, we just landed. About to go get our luggages, go to the house, drop our stuff off, and probably grab something to eat because I'm hungry, man. I haven't had anything all day, so probably go to a restaurant. I'll keep you guys informed. Alright guys, we just got to Animal Kingdom. About to go in, get the tickets, and then they were probably the first ride we're gonna check out. It's Avatar. I think they have two of them, so we're gonna go there first and record and see so you guys what it looks like. Yo guys, I'm excited, man. Camila's getting her bag checked right now. Check out this park. I've never been here before, Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So that's the front gate. You know, it's gonna be lit out here, man. I'm gonna check everything. Tomorrow we're gonna check out Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure. If you've never been in Florida, those are two good parks as well, but we're gonna enjoy the day out here. Florida weather is nice compared to Jersey. Jersey's like 25 degrees, man, so feeling this weather out here is a relief, you know?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I told one person, just one. And then all of a sudden, don't worry about it. You didn't listen, don't worry.
The Tree of Life, bro. That's your house, bro. That's where you live. Stop playing with me, dude. You know you live over there. You look like a monkey. This guy Dave lives over here. He's trying to take us over to Pandora. He said it's packed, but you know, he got us in for free with the hookups. We gotta pay a dime, bro. You gonna see
he's a cheap bitch.
Hollywood star right here, bro. Watch. Right here, man. You're gonna see.
Me. Special effects.
Yep.
Sorry.
Here we are, bro. Avatar.
We're Avatar? We're about to get in. guys, get out the river ride. That was pretty cool.
That was awesome.
You guys saw a glimpse of that. So right now, I'll probably go check out another ride, see what the wait times are, and I'll keep you guys in tune.
Allá, step number 1, extend your hands.
Alright guys, I'm going to check out this Everest ride. All the way up in that mountain. I think it's a abominable snowman. And then Camille's gonna go on it, so she's gonna wait for me here.
Yeah,
I got a fast pass, so we'll go there real quick. You know, hopefully I can bring it on. Not sure. Alright guys, here we are. Woo! Whoa, look at how it goes. Guys, I'm going backwards. What is going on here? Oh my god. Oh my god. What's going on here? Alright guys, I made it alive. That was crazy. Yo guys, that ride went backwards without even me realizing. That was crazy. But right now I'm gonna go check out all the safari they have here. Go on the ride and then see what else they got.
Go out there and get that for you. You will get it back at some point. It's not going to look the same as when you drop it, but you'll get it back. A couple of rules while we're out there. First and foremost,
alright guys, we're on the safari right now.
Also keep your arms and hands to the side.
Check out the animals, see what they got.
A lot of thorny bushes out there. If you have young children,
so let's do this.
That's fine. Just make sure they remain seated on your lap throughout the entire safari. Not standing long. Now, black rhinos can weigh about 3,000 pounds, fully grown. Very endangered animals. There's only about 5,000 of them left in the entire world. Now, the horns on rhinos are not actual horns. They're not attached to their skulls. They're made of carrots, or the male crews have them. Looking at us right there, are reddish brown. Those are bongos. They're known as the ghosts of the forest, even with that bright coloring. When that big mouth opens.
Guys, look how big that hippo is, man.
Pretty much everything.
More dangerous than a lion.
Those teeth can get up to 18 inches long. Now, they don't look like it, but they are very, very aggressive. Extremely territorial. They are quick on land. They can run up to about 20 miles an hour. That is a lot faster than most of us. You can regulate their body temperature. They're found all over sub-Saharan Africa. Evil antelope laying down back there. Those curved horns are a deterrent to predators that might want to jump on their backs. You guys remember, please keep those hands inside, those arms inside. Those horns.
Look at these horns.
Very powerful.
Look at that.
Journey of giraffes. That big male right there just had a drink of water. It's not an easy thing for them to do.
It's a baby giraffe right here.
And a little baby right in front of them. And animal. One of the highest regular blood pressures. You can imagine it's going to take a lot of pressure to get the blood flowing all the way up that long neck. Otra vez, por favor, si pueden bajar el volumen un poco, por favor. hopefully get a better look. Full-grown males average around 12,000 pounds and eat about 300 pounds of pressure groups. As they get older, they get more and more solitary, and eventually they will end up living on their own. If you notice, her tusks are just starting to come out. Group of them is called the flamboyantes. Really cool. Look way back past the boulders to the left. There's a big bull elephant back there. Look at the size of that guy. There's a massive, massive animal. Sound, and that's a bad thing. So right now, those rhinos can actually hear us. They smell us even better. They can't see us at all. Terrible, terrible eyesight. They need to be about 10 feet away. Please do not whistle. Look at that. Beautiful.
Lion here, guys.
Now, we're going to post that on social media. Hashtag best safari driver ever. It's an option. Yeah, I'm not going to remind you that my name is Louis because that's going too far. Now, if you're wondering what separates the rhinos from us, we have that tree stump right there. Watch the rhino's ears. They're going to pivot around. That's how they keep track of what's going on around them. Feel free to sing along.
That was pretty interesting. We'll go check out Gorilla Falls. So I got to see the gorillas and see what else they got here.
It was already there.
Ya se fue. Vamos a pillarla.
There's a hippo just chilling there. That's pretty cool. Sleeping, I think.
That's fish in his mouth.
Jack, careful. Okay, buddy.
How can it breathe in the water?
Oh my. Olha só.
Alright guys, so I just left my family, the gorillas. Now we about to go check out the Flight of Passage, I think. But we did the river avatar, but there's another avatar ride that we can do. It's like an animation ride. I'm gonna try to sneak my camera in. I don't know if they'll allow me, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, we are inside the Banshee ride. So I think it's a 3D simulator. So I'm pretty sure I can't record that. But yeah, this is the way inside looks. So this is where they work and stuff. Let's see what else they got. Oh, they scan your face too, bro. We're screwed, man. Can't get out of here. Whoa, 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 there's an avatar in there, look. Some of Camila's medicine right here. Our makeup. Whoa, someone took a piss in there. Yo guys, look how crazy this is. Crazy, bro, insane.
Drivers about to link.
Alright, we're getting close, guys. Alright guys, here it is. We are inside. We are seats 3 and 4. Camila is ready. Psych, she ain't ready, she nervous.
Please make sure everybody can see the screen.
3 and 4. We 3 and 4 out here. I don't know where that is, but I think it's through a door right there.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites.
Parasites.
Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit.
Move your arms around.
Okay, start scan.
Oh, scan us. I feel like you have parasites.
You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing.
Whoa.
You're doing great. Almost done here.
You're all clear.
Oh, I feel better.
Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on Banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Huh? I'll be right back. Put the standby system on, quickly.
Standby. We're looking into delays with the genetic matching system.
What have you guys done? Parasites. It's him.
Oh, look for it.
No, it's not you.
It's you. It's you.
I don't know.
So 5 is supposed to be black.
It's like Ezekiel.
You're not black, you're right.
Starting system-wide diagnostics. Help us out and move around a little.
Move around, move around.
Okay, to get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar.
All right, guys, we're in here. Stay on the same number. All right. All right, let's see. Give me some swag. Guys.
Great, you've all made it. It's important that you can all see me, so move a little if you can't. Before we send you to the link chamber, let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. The way you'll be able to fly is by linking to an avatar that's already on the back of an Ikran. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave.
All right, guys, I'm about to get on, so I can't record this.
For your safety,
This is what it looks
throughout
like.
this entire experience,
It's like a 3D
remain seated.
simulator.
Lean forward, holding on.
Yo, guys, that ride was crazy, man. Amazing. Bro, it's something that you gotta experience, man. It's something that I personally never experienced before. It's like you feel like you're actually flying the dragon, dude. It's crazy. Like yeah, it's so real, man. Like, bro, I wish I could do it again, but that was a 2-hour wait, man. But right now we're about to go check out a light show that they have here, so I'll show you guys how that looks, and yeah, we'll see what else they got. All right, guys, just got back to the house. And that was pretty good, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys then. Peace.